Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Mystery Cash. And this is a channel uh, with how to make money with cryptocurrency. I make almost everyday videos, so please subscribe to the channel and like if you want. And turn on notification bell just to be the step with the channel if I release new video, just to be the step with the channel. For today, I will represent three projects. Three, it's a three live withdrawals. The first, the first one will be this doubler. Yesterday, I made a payment to this. This is way too Lambo. Uh, Whatever your amount you put in 24 hours, it's double. Here on this site, yesterday I made a payment, and after 24 hours I withdraw from this site. As you can see here, I have deposited 90 TRX, but this is a new deposit. First time I deposited 30 TRX. It's this one. It's this one. I made a deposit from 30 TRX, and I get 60. As you can see, it's closed, and today I invest 60 and I'm await to be paid 120. As you can see, on this side, just go make a deposit in whatever you cryptocurrency you want. As you can see, you can deposit in many cryptocurrencies. Let's see, you can deposit in Bitcoin, TRX, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. And in this page, on this platform, exactly the whole platform is it's automated. When you make a deposit, as you can see, there is no withdraw button. As you can see here, after the 24 hours, as you can see here, waiting, I made a deposit in 9 o'clock, and for 24 hours, when here will write closed, the platform will withdraw me. The whole process is automated. You do nothing. It's, as you can see, I already withdraw, so this page really works. But guys, I recommend to just invest not more than 5-6 times. If you invest once or twice. If you invest big amount, invest once or twice, because I don't believe in these sites will last more than a month. So be careful, don't use too much. Just make, for example, as me, I invested $2, that's the minimum. I will invest 5 or 6 times and nothing more. And that's it, guys. As you can see, invest $2, and after 24 hours Just enter the site and wait to your deposit be closed, and the withdrawals is it's fully automatic. For the second project, I have this site from yesterday, but I have problem to pass the link in the description. So guys, the link will be in the comment section from this site. This is also this is a free platform, but uh, this is also a miner and a doubler. This is a both because not usually miners pay 6 to 10% from your deposit. Miners pay 2 to 3% from your deposit, but not this miner. As you can see, this miner pays 6%. I deposited 200 TRX and the 6% is 12.2 TRX. That's a 6%. But if I deposit 500 TRX, my earnings will be 8%. If I deposit 100, my earning will be 10% per day. That's a lot, guys. For a miner, it's a lot. If you want to choose the hours box, if you deposit 50 TRX, you have one ticket here. You can maybe win 1000 TRX, 500, maybe 100, maybe 10, never mind. That's it. Let's make a withdrawal. And also here, the whole platform, it's fully automated. The withdrawals is instant. You basically don't do anything. You don't wait not a little. Let's withdraw just to see. As you can see, I will delete all the notifications just to see how quick this miner will withdraw me. Let's go withdraw. As you can see, I have 11.8. I will withdraw 11.8. My wallet address, it's this one. Let's go withdraw. Withdraw successfully paid, guys. As you can see, let's refresh the site. This is a very good miner, but I will say again, I have problem to put a link in description, so the link will be in the comments. As you can see, my payment is arrived, guys. It's here. As you can see, this is 11.8 TRX, guys. So as you can see, the payments are instant, guys, so no waiting. That's a good, guys. That's a very good. The both platforms are good. Let's go to third, my favorite miner. I have made many videos for this miner. This is highly profitable also. This work from 150 to 250% from your investment. Also, in the end of your rental period, your investment will be added to your balance. As you can see here, you can mine it Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron and USDT. Go and withdraw, guys. And also here, but Here depends on the cryptocurrency you have invested. This is not a free miner, but it's highly profitable. Here you can start even with $1. With $1 here you can add power for $1 in every cryptocurrency. After that you can boost your miner in 1,000 ways. This is a boost from $1, from $2, from 3, from 4, from 5, and so on. Depends on you guys. But the 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 good thing and why I love this miner and I recommend to everyone, whatever your investment you have made in the end of the rental period, your investment will be added here to your overall balance. You don't lose nothing in this miner. If you invest $5, you will mine approximately your 110% or 50 or 250% plus your investment. When your rental period will be finished, your investment will appear to your overall balance. As you can see, I made a withdraw. So guys, let's see this miner pays or not. I didn't see the amount. Approximately was uh 0.024. Let's see how much I will wait just to withdraw. Usually I wait not more than 5 to 10 minutes. Like I said, depends from the cryptocurrencies, because the Bitcoin need more than 100 confirmation. For Litecoin it's a 24 or 5 or 3, I don't know. For TRX it's just 3 confirmations. So depends on the cryptocurrency, guys. But never mind, this miner is paying. That's the most important thing. Let's wait the withdraw and I will show you. I will put link in description. I don't have problem with this link, just with the Tron miner. I have problem with the link to paste in the in description. I will put link in comments, so guys, copy from the comments. I'm still waiting. See guys, my payment arrived. This miner, usually I have made more than 5-6 videos including this. This is the payment. So never mind, I have made many videos about this miner. This is 5, maybe I have made 5 or 7 videos. Never mind, you can search in old videos, you can see this miner is very good. Please guys, subscribe to the channel and like if you want. Turn on notification bell just in case for tomorrow video. I have also I will have 3 new projects, free airdrop and something else which I have prepared for you. Please subscribe guys and stay tuned. That's it all for today. Stay tuned guys and good luck.